time is fixed 24 hour. Day and night combination 24 hours. It's fixed for all people. Those who are properly use this for 24 hours, they will cut a good figure in their life. So be careful about our time for doing something, for achieving something better. If we are achieving something better, we will most care our time. We should use our present time perfectly for achieving our desired goal. Best of luck.